today at Polyglot we are going to use the past tense for our lesson. Okay, this is past tense for regular verbs, only for the regular verbs. Okay, there are 3 different sounds for regular verbs. There's the ed sound, the D sound, and the T sound for regular verbs. I'm going to explain how we come up with these. If you have a root word or the regular word, base word ends in T or D, the sound is ed, like started, needed, treated, bearded. Okay? If the verb ends in Y or I, played, enjoyed, cried, D sound. The E is silent. And I forgot the... Everything else, like the X, the K, the S, the P, is a T sound. Mixed, liked, used, and stopped. That is a lesson in past tense, in the past tense regular verb sounds here at Polyglot.